The time is currently 10:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Storm date is Thursday, May 15th, 2025. All of this is being shot in real time. It's not sped up at all. And it's because of the frequency of the lightning that we are currently under a Dangerous Thunderstorm Alert. This is literally so insane right now. You are a crazy person.
Wow, that's some crazy lightning.
I know.
Oh my goodness. That is wild.
Good thing you told me to stay inside.
Yeah.
I want to say this again. Keep in mind that all of this is being shot in real time. This video is not being sped up. Probably due to the fact I have no idea how to speed up a video. Still.
This is wild.
Yeah. Video time is currently at 2 minutes. Holy crap. It's probably hard to hear, but the rain is picking up significantly right now. Video time is now 3 minutes long.
Oh my goodness. That is absolutely insane.
I know. And I'm just going to reiterate this because people probably think that I'm lying. This is not sped up. Video time is now 3.5 minutes. All this is being shot in real time.
What are you ending
You are one crazy person. Video time is now 4 minutes.
Wow.
This is just crazy. And